guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 1957 Buick Special. Man, I tell you what, there are a lot of 57 Chevys out there, but how many 57 Buicks do you think are out there? I doubt very many, especially in this condition. All the chrome has been redone on this thing. It is mint green, and yeah, that's the name. That's what they tell me, mint green. Beautiful. You can see everything has been redone on this thing. Can you imagine how much it costs to re-chrome this grille, all these bumper parts? There's about 57 pieces to that bumper. And look at this, isn't that neat? Don't you wish every car had that, the year right there in the middle of the grille, so all you had to do is look at it? Even the Buick right here, looking sweet. The little hood ornament also. The body lines are amazing on the car. Somebody spent a lot of money restoring this car. This car is definitely better than from the factory. Of course, we got our three little holes there in the front fender for the Buick. We got our arrow going down the side looking good. And look at this interior. I just love the way that the door openings and the windows and everything. You can see that all the stainless and everything and all the chrome around the door openings and all that, looking sweet. Look at that piece of chrome. Isn't that amazing? Look at the handles, the crank out for the vent window, the door handle, the window handle, the chrome on the steering wheel, all the chrome on the dash. I mean, the chrome bill on this thing, I tell you what, about what the national debt is right now. I can't imagine how much they spent on the chrome on this thing. Look at those seatbelt buckles. They've also been all re-chromed. We got seatbelts in the back. Of course, the upholstery is all brand new. All that chrome around the back window looking sweet. Headliner looking good. I mean, this car is just amazing. Look at this door jamb here. This door jamb looks like this car's a 2020. Look at that. Look how beautiful all that is. The rubber looks good. The door panel looks great. I'm going to see if I can find the keys in here. Here they are. As you look down the side of it, I mean, these cars just look like they're fast sitting still. And look at all the chrome back here, the back bumper, behind the back tire, around the tail lights. I mean, it's just amazing. And look at this little fuel door. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? Whoop, it shuts good. Look at the emblem back here. Again, if you're not in the front, you can tell it's a 57 in the back right there. Oh, and look at the little picnic basket. Isn't that cool? Look at that jack. Don't you wish all cars had a jack like that in them? That looks like a floor jack. See all the finishes in here looking good. Bottom side of the deck lid's also finished off nice. See, the latch was recoated. I mean, the alignment pin, I mean, just everything on this thing is done to a T. As you look down the passenger side, she is straight as an arrow. Body man did a phenomenal job on this car. The fitment of all the panels. The guy who pulled the trigger on the paint also did a phenomenal job. The car is absolutely beautiful. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this car. So you know we did our homework before we bought it. The first thing we do to every car is we get them up on the lift and we inspect them so we can tell you exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. Now if you wanna see a bunch of pictures of this and a full description of the car, look right below in the description on YouTube there, and you can hit that link and you can go right to our website. You can see the cost of the car. You can check out the rest of our inventory, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell button so you get a notification every time we post a new cool car just like this one. All right, 57 Buick time. You want to talk about sweet ride? Take this baby anywhere. Take this to Concours d'Elegance. I tell you, gonna be one of the coolest cars there, guys. This thing's gonna draw a crowd wherever it goes. First of all, nobody knows what it is. And luckily, like I showed you in the beginning there, it says 1957 up front, so that's kind of cool. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Driving awesome, looking awesome, and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this beautiful Buick. Also, he'll tell you all about our financing. If you need help with financing, we can help you out with that too. If you'd like to fill out paperwork online, you can do that at vanguardmotorsales.com. And you can check out the rest of our inventory. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the little bell button so you can get a notification every time we get a cool car like this one in. Now I'm gonna come to a complete stop here. We gotta get a good shot of this Speedo. This Speedo's so freaking cool. Watch it. It's like a big candy cane. Watch it go up. That's a big disc in there that just rolls around and shows you the speed. So freaking cool. And we believe pretty much all the gauges are working. Let's see. Let's see if this AM radio is still playing AM tunes. I do not hear the radio working. So if you're one of those guys that has to have a radio, you can get those aftermarket radios and stick in the trunk or in the glove box. Control them with your phone. Of course, I don't need a radio when I'm out in a cool car like this. I'd much rather listen to that motor hum. If you'd like to come in and visit us, we'd love to have you. Give us a call at 248-974-9513. If you need to fly in, the airport's very close. A lot of people can actually fly in the morning, come over, visit us, check out muscle cars, and then fly right back out in the afternoon. And if you need to spend the night, there's a hotel right there at the airport. Well, looky here, we got the fire trucks out here visiting us today at Vanguard. Actually, what happened today is the transformer blew up, so they're probably out here checking that out. So stick with us. We're gonna put this baby up in the air and check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this beautiful car now, and you can see the gas tank's been restored. The frame has been all restored and painted. Everything looks good. Tailpipe's brand new. Backside of the quarter, well, actually, that's part of the bumper. It's nice and clean. The rear end housing over here, it's got a 307 gear. It isn't open, and this is a Buick rear end housing. You can see all the braces and everything. It's a torque tube setup. On the brakes, the guys pull those apart on every car, make sure they're installed correctly. You can see how nice and clean everything is. The frame's all painted up. And look at this frame. It's built out of I-beams, just like your bridges, man. And look at the floorboard. Look how nice and clean and painted the floorboards are. You may just have to get yourself some mirrors and show off the bottom side. It's got brand new mufflers on it. Now this trans, we do believe, is the original trans. It is 57 specific. Very well could be the original trans for this thing. Then we got our Numbers Matching Nailhead up here. The front brakes, again, the guys will pull them all apart, make sure they're in good working order. All the bushings and everything are nice and tight. The guys will check out the suspension. You can see that the bumper's definitely been redone. You can see how nice and clean the backside is also. Front frame horns, look at that. Look how nice and clean all that is. We got some paint markings on here also. All the bracketry here, all the nuts and bolts are brand new. Gotta be the nicest 57 Buick on the planet. Then we got real wires here, baby. Buick right in the center. These are Coker Classic tires. See, they usually put the writing real small. Oh, there it is. 225/75 15s here. You can see they painted the fenders right down to the bottom edge. I see some fresh shims in here. Of course, the bottom edge of this front fender is nice and sharp. You can tell that it's not been messed up at all. The bottom side of the rocker is also nice and clean. The pinch weld's nice and clean. The frame's nicely painted. Out back, we got the same good looking tires, wide whites on the same good looking real wire wheels. Look at this paintwork here. Look at the detail. Look at that stainless there. I mean, just everything about the car is phenomenal. Then of course, I love this. These bumper extensions, man, isn't that beautiful? Well, let's get under the hood and check out that Nailhead. All right, under the hood here, we got the 364 Nailhead. Now this does have the VIN stamp in it. Everything lines up. This is the original motor for the car. As you can see, it looks like it's got the stock distributor. Now that carburetor is about 2 years newer than the car, but it is similar to what would have been on this car originally. You can see that everything under here is nice and clean. We left the air cleaner off here so you can take a quick look. Get the air cleaner back on there. You can see it does have power steering. You can see that the radiator's in beautiful shape. It's got old style battery in it. It's got the generator here. Oh, the body tag too, back there on the firewall. See that body tag? And that's cool to have. I mean, the paintwork on the firewall is looking good. They restored the whole heater system there also. The inner wheelhouses are nice. I mean, just everything about this looks like 1957 under here, guys. You can see all the brand new nuts and bolts and everything. Everything on the car has been restored. All the wiring is nice and clean. She is a beauty, definitely well kept throughout the years. That's the only way you could have got a car this nice. You can see all of these areas here, that's all factory markings. I mean, this thing is beautiful, guys, and very rare. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.